The Automatic Door Installation Association, opening the doors to a safer industry. AGM 2020.
Hello and welcome to a very different ADIA Annual General Meeting. Before the pandemic, we had already planned to do our AGM virtually. We had seen this as the preferred solution as we know how time and convenience is so precious to our members and their businesses. Along with these unpredictable times, it had also worked to coincide with social distancing measures and our efforts to contain the virus. Even though there has been a lot of uncertainty and unpredictability within various construction projects, our industry has always been a resilient one. We have received great positive responses from our members and hope for the future that our industry will see opportunity and there will be even more importance for our role in containing the virus using automation. When lockdown hit, we had decided and were prompted by our members to continue training, which is what we did. The online video training calls are conducted one-on-one with the engineer and has actually been even more popular as it saves the company time and money. This has been a huge benefit and we have even been able to do this with all of our other courses. We have done this by creating various scenarios such as asking the engineers questions, creating faults on our doors and getting engineers to survey the doors and much, much more. This is one of the great positives to come out of lockdown, and we will continue to offer this to members going forward. Working one-on-one with engineers has proven incredibly beneficial to the candidates, as they are able to focus on their tasks and ask questions directly without hesitation. In addition, we have created 7 free online health and safety courses. This includes working at height, manual handling, fire safety awareness, first aid, asbestos awareness, electrical safety, and more. The uptake of these courses has been remarkable, especially during the lockdown period. We have since heard how these have been used to help members fulfill CHAS and safe contractor requirements, as well as gain more confidence. These courses are completed totally online from sign-up to the course to then printing off the certificates. There has also been great uptake in members with free time during furlough who have invested in upskilling themselves and their engineers in a range of different courses, including our new access control course and many more of our various diplomas, which Paul will be discussing later. As well as all this, Laura will be discussing how ADIA are increasing the amount of benefits year on year by listening to the voices of our membership and enabling to create more work time and money for our members. I'd like to thank you once again for your support. Hello, I'm Laura, the ADIA Marketing and Membership Manager. Today I'm going to discuss what is an offer to our members, how you can use your benefits, and what it means to be one of our members of the association. Firstly, I would like to thank the members for working so hard during this very trying period. Many have continued to work in order to keep key establishments functioning effectively and safely. I also want to thank all of those who have supported the association and continue to upskill their engineers with our training courses. As mentioned in Anne's speech, we have created an additional 7 online health and safety courses, all of which are free to members, meaning that we have now over 20 training courses. Our courses cover roles within the automatic door industry, including access control, installation, repair and surveying. This is to ensure engineers can demonstrate their competency in a selection of tasks. I'd like to remind installer members that you receive 1 free course per year, which can save you up to £420 annually. It's incredibly important to ensure all of your staff understand the safety elements of automatic doors, as we still receive information stating that there are non-safe automatic doors still being installed across the country. In cases such as this, we advise the premises owner to view our DoorSafe register, which lists all engineers who have a valid BSEN 16005 accreditation. In order to keep your accreditation valid, we advise you check the DoorSafe register to ensure your engineers are listed. If they hold a card but aren't listed, they will be required to sit a BSEN 16005 refresher course, which is needed every 4 years. Cards within this 4-year period are renewable free of charge annually. As well as offering regular training during the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, we have also supported members with the help of our partner Citation, who will be chatting to you shortly. Citation offer members guides and free advice on a range of topics, many of which have been incredibly helpful during this uncertain year. Because of the pandemic, we have been able to focus our attentions on other areas of the association, such as our website and membership benefits. We have integrated the members area, shop and main website to be in one place. This makes it easier for members to navigate their benefits and information. We have also updated the ADIA DoorSafe Register to list individual engineers, which can be accessed by scanning in the QR code that is displayed on their BSEN 16005 technician's card. If you do not have a card with a QR code, you can request one from our team simply by emailing us. Your company profile is also listed on the DoorSafe Register, containing details of trained engineers that work for your company. In order to be listed on the DoorSafe Register, you must have at least one engineer complete the BSEN 16005 accredited by City Guilds. We also encourage members to make full use of our range of discounts, which include but are not limited to printing services with Newton Press, tools and promotional items from the ADIA shop, discounted fuel, and a free user with JobLogic. All of our services can be found on our website, and access codes and links are available when you log into your exclusive membership area. These services and discounts have been designed in order to save you money wherever you can, so please be sure to check them out. Although we have not delivered our usual annual printed directory this year, we have redesigned our online directory, making it easier to view member details. Businesses looking for a door company can simply type in their county or use more detailed search fields to find what suits their needs. We continuously promote our members throughout our social media, sharing posts they've created, as well as supporting supplier members with advertisements through our newsletters and website. We always welcome members to send us any promotional material for us to share. Being a part of the ADIA is about showing your customers that you care about safety, the public, and the future of the industry. Health and safety is a major concern, and although it isn't easy to be kept up to date with these changes, we help you stay in the loop. Not only that, but we are here to make your life easier and on hand for any technical and safety advice that you need, as well as offering the discounts and training. Based on the information we receive from you, our members, we help build our benefits. We are here for you and welcome any feedback on what you want to see from us. Thank you for your support.
Hi, I'm Paul, the Training Manager. 2020 has been a fantastic year for course growth. The pandemic has allowed us to focus our energy on providing members with free training. The Association has created 7 new health and safety courses online, which include Health and Safety Awareness course, Manual Handling course, Working at Height course, Fire Safety Awareness course, First Aid Awareness course, Electrical Safety course, and an Asbestos Awareness course, as well as offering members the opportunity to train from anywhere, even when furloughed. On a one-to-one basis, engineers can now complete 7 online health and safety courses completely free of charge. This includes all staff members, not just engineers, but also office staff and more. The ADIA online health and safety courses will help you to learn new skills and knowledge that help you deliver all elements of health and safety, including that which will be relevant to working on-site or within an office environment. The courses will provide you with valuable information on what to do in an emergency, give you confidence to take appropriate action, and help you to know when to seek further medical advice. On completion of each course, you will instantly receive a HANSA-approved certificate which you can print instantly. These courses allowed our members to continue developing their skills whilst furloughed. In addition, we ensured engineers were still able to do their BSEN 16005 as well as all the other courses. Using video call, we've been able to still offer members a practical and visual approach with one-on-one training. We have found that the main benefit to the engineers has been the focus and attention that is directed fully on the engineer. They've been able to receive full support and guidance on what they need to improve. They have also mentioned feeling encouraged in a positive and non-pressured environment. The courses still include our practical assessments and scenarios using our automatic door rigs. Training dates for larger numbers will be added as soon as we feel as we can safely provide training face to face. However, we feel this is a positive step forward to completing ADIA training for the future, as it is much more beneficial working with a trainer on a one-to-one basis. Courses included are the BSEN 16005, Service and Maintenance, Installation, Access Control, Surveying, and more. We have also become our very own MVQ centre and have been offering MVQs for our members at a heavily discounted rate to help with their needs. We would also like to announce our new ADIA Gate Safety course. For many years now, we've been asked by our members to create a course on gate and barrier safety, which is in our very own easy-to-understand style, filled with videos, quizzes, and mock exams, as well as many various animations. The course goes through all of the various gate safety standards and talks about the Machinery Directive and British standards, helping engineers and companies alike to understand the risks involved in automatic gates. The course talks about force testing, the various forces, where to measure safety distances, the various entrapment risk and hazards, as well as educates the learner on risk assessment and much more. We are pleased to be able to offer this course exclusively to our members in our ever-growing list of courses, with more to come, so watch this space. Thank you for your continued support. We now have some following videos from our affiliates.
Hello, my name is Adrian Brine, and I'm the Partnerships Manager at Citation that liaises with the ADIA to provide help and support to ADIA members in the areas of health and safety and HR and employment law. I'd like to start my short message, which is only about a couple of minutes in length, by thanking Anne, Paul, Laura and the team at the ADIA for the professional and proactive way that they support members in the wider sector. We are operating in ever-challenging times, and looking back at the 15 years or so that I've been working with trade and professional bodies, never has there been a more important time to be a member of your trade association. Looking forward, I think we can all say for certain that there are more challenging times ahead, and that business owners and leaders are increasingly going to need help and support from trusted advisors. As I mentioned right at the start, Citation helps businesses to comply with their obligations in the areas of health and safety, HR, and employment law. I'm recording this message only a couple of days after the government announced that COVID compliance is now a legal obligation, and not meeting these standards in your workplace could result in fines of up to £10,000 and your business being forced to close its doors. Many ADIA members are already Citation clients, and I thank you on behalf of Citation for this. For those ADIA members that are not yet a client of Citation, we'd welcome the opportunity to show you how we can help. For more information on our services, please either call our contact centre on 0161 532 4791 or email hello@citation.co.uk. That's either call 0161 532 4791 or email hello@citation.co.uk, and please do mention that you are a member of the ADIA in any contact. That's all from me, and thanks again to the ADIA for all that it does. Stay safe and well, everybody, and thanks for your time. Goodbye.